I don't know. It's a lot of visitors. So I would have to get that information for you. It's actually a TIAT related, but I am TIAT, so I'll get it for you. Yes, the plan is indeed, we are working on the legal trajectory. I would like to say I don't want to say the correct way. So we're building off of the MP Bryson's initiative. It had some complaints from some remarks from the Council of Advice. So we have now adapted it, adjusting it according to the remarks to make it more feasible for the country. The plan is to adapt a health levy or tourist levy in which the funds then can be used directly for the benefit of whether it's health-related products, the government, and so forth. So right now we had our second or third meeting. TIAT, there's a committee with TIAT, a committee with Justice, Finance is involved in VSA. VSA is spearheading this levy process, and we're now figuring out all the intricacies and what we need to do to get the health levy or the tourist levy. We haven't decided the name rolling, but it is coming. That is the plan, indeed.